a suspended license, a misunderstanding at the courthouse, and one split-second decision that turned a traffic stop into a year behind bars. We've all felt that rush, that moment when someone tells you you're wrong and your whole body says, "No, I'm not." But here's the truth. In high-pressure situations, it's not about who's right, it's about who stays in control. This incident isn't just about law enforcement. It's about emotional regulation, pride, and how fast frustration can hijack your future.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made payment.
Right, you made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
I just did it yesterday. Maybe you didn't update it. If you didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you, you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse,
Okay.
I made payment.
Then when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in months.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light cameras.
Red light cameras? Okay. Has your license ever been suspended before?
No.
No? Okay. And the address here, is this correct?
Yeah.
Well, which one? The one on your license here or the Conway Road?
The one on my license.
The one on your license? Okay. Because they don't forward DL information, that's why. How long has it been since you lived in Conway?
Only a couple months.
A couple months? Okay, so you just moved back here?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you have there? You were trying to show me something else. What's this?
This is the paper I did at the court.
Okay, this shows you live in Kissimmee. The paperwork that you filled out yesterday. I'm sorry? Well, because you have to have the correct address on your license. That's a civil infraction. The Kissimmee one?
The one on my ID.
Okay, well, why would you write incorrect information?
I didn't write incorrect information.
Okay. I'll be right back. Stay in the car, ma'am.
Yeah, but you're doing something. You're not telling me what to do.
I don't have to tell you right now. Have a seat in the car and I'll be right with you. Okay, well, that's incorrect. So, have a seat in the car. I already told you, you have a seized tag order. Have a seat in the car and I'll be with you in just a minute.
Okay, but where's my license? I have to go put it next to
Your license is being returned to the state of Florida as well. Have a seat at your car. Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have to have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever I want. If I can get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
Yes, I can.
How can you not? You're not my boss. You're not my daddy. You don't do
There's a
shit for me.
Supreme Court ruling that says you need to get back in your car. Now get back in your car.
Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car.
How are
I'm
you
taking your
impounding my
license
car?
and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you
my
want to
car?
call somebody to come get you, that's the best
I
thing.
can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself. And
Well,
I have to go
I
get my
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything up.
I showed you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
What do you mean? Why
I'm
didn't
telling
she
you.
tell me that? I asked her any other problems. She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is.
Okay,
I will
but
give you all the
can't
court
impound my
tickets.
car.
I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. So you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I just
You
take
owe
it to
money
my house?
because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and
No,
drive
I
again.
went to the courthouse
Okay.
and she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
That's not fair.
Well, you can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there yesterday.
Okay. Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job. I can't help that. Ma'am, go stand by your car. Go stand by your car. Go stand by your car. Okay. Ma'am, you're this close to going to jail. Okay. This close to jail. Have a seat by your car. Ron, don't let her go. Get out of the car now!
What is
Get out of the car! Turn around, put your hands on the back.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax, relax.
You're hurting me. You're
Relax.
hurting me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get off. Get off of me. Oh, get off of me. I'm gonna get my kids. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't do that. Get off of me.
Go to the
No, I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me. I have to go get my kids. No, you are not putting these on me. What are you doing? Oh, my God. What are you doing?
Roll over. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Hey, you can't take off on a traffic stop. Get in, it's all on video. Get in.
I was at the wall.
Get in.
You're such a dick. I don't
County 249.
49.
Show it the black female 1015. And then resume normal.
249 is moving normal traffic with the 1015. You guys okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Be careful. 8 more units.
Look at the turning point carefully. It wasn't when she was on the ground, it wasn't even when backup arrived, it was the moment she got back into the car and chose to drive off. Up until then, this was a paperwork problem. Annoying? Yes. Expensive? Probably. But manageable. The second she drove away, it became fleeing. That one decision stacked new consequences onto an already stressful situation. Stress shrinks our thinking, we focus on the unfairness instead of the outcome. And when ego mixes with urgency, logic disappears.
You take these handcuffs
Nope,
off?
you're going to jail, ma'am.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Well, unfortunately, when you fled from the stop, you did something wrong. When you didn't listen, you did something wrong.
I was
So
going
now,
to the
now, and then
courthouse.
when you punched me, when you
I
punched me on the
punched
ground,
you?
yep, you swung and hit me.
I did not
Now
hit
it's battery,
you.
Leo.
That's a lie.
It's all on
I don't
video.
even know how to throw a punch.
Okay, it's all on video.
I don't know how to throw a punch.
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
That's
it's all
a
on video.
lie. How can you lie?
You all right?
Are you?
Yep.
At where?
Why would I arrest you?
Yeah.
Because you ran from the traffic stop.
I didn't run from the traffic stop. I was at the red light. The light turned green. You
Ma'am.
pulled over at the Wells Fargo.
Ma'am.
I got out the car.
Ma'am.
I took punches because I was at the courthouse.
Did you not just drive off? Did you not just drive off?
No,
Yeah,
because I was
okay.
going to the courthouse. Why can't I go? I want
Because
to
when the traffic stop wasn't done, and I told you that.
Yeah, but I need to go to the courthouse.
It doesn't matter. You don't have the right to leave. You don't have the right to leave. Well, I don't need to understand.
And they tell you you're fine to go. Why would you tell me I'm fine to go so I can get arrested?
Huh? I don't know. That's between you and them. Well, unfortunately, you'll go to jail today. Unfortunately, you go to jail today. You'll get booked in.
Okay, so when are you taking me there?
When I'm ready. It's my time. I will get done and we will head that way.
You're so inconsiderate. You hurt me. I'm bleeding. You hurt both of my legs. And you say I punched you. I can't even throw a punch. I've never even fought like that before. What are you talking about? You got complete control. You're trying to tell me
Yeah.
a 130-pound girl was being threw a punch where both her hands behind her back? That's
You're
a
right.
lie.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
No, we're not.
Just one on a traffic stop. And she didn't believe her stuff was suspended.
No,
and
I believe you.
then she decided to jump when her car was getting ready to get impounded. She jumped in the car and took off.
Oh,
So Ron was able to get here, I was able to get there, and then, of course, she wanted to fight and not go to
I
jail.
did not fight. I don't know how to fight. I'm only 130 pounds. I'm small. How can I fight?
So it was a good day, I guess.
yeah.
For you.
Nobody got hurt. No one's.
I'm hurt.
So.
I'm f***ing hurt. I'm bleeding and my head is hurting.
If the caregiver is there in FDS 51, we can respond to
How are you?
two people.
Been a while, man.
If it's a DNR,
Leave, please.
Nope. You can't leave. We're going to the jail.
Then let's go. What are you waiting for?
We gotta wait on the tow truck and
everything.
I still got stuff to do. Yeah, you don't mind?
I'll take care of it. I'll get it worked on the way.
All right, I'll move so you can pull up. Thanks for coming.
I've been here quick, but you canceled.
I know. I think I heard you. That was you, I think. Hey, you meet the new chief?
Not yet.
He's there. He's a good guy. You probably know him. You probably remember if you saw
My
him.
wife knows him.
Yeah. And his son works for OPD
Oh, yeah.
too. Yeah. Good guy.
Cool.
All right, man. Thanks a lot.
All right, we'll see you.
I don't know why the lady at the front of it didn't tell me the truth. Or I'm getting it doesn't make sense. I went there to figure out what's going on with my license. Because I do not want to go to jail. I do not want to get pulled over by you guys. It's a waste of time. So I don't understand why I went to the courthouse and she did not tell me everything. I don't understand that. Why would I go there if she's not going to tell me everything? And then you're going to say I throw a punch? For what? To make you feel better? I did not throw no punch. How can I throw a punch? Why don't we go to the courthouse to find out why this lady lied to me? Because she knew I would get in this predicament. Doesn't make any sense. I did my part. Went to the courthouse to find out what's going on with my license. And she lied to me, so my car can get impounded. I cannot afford to get that out. I have to take care of my kids. And this is wasting my time and my kids' time for no reason. And then you're gonna tell somebody, oh, are you okay? What has happened to you? You gotta go home, open up a cold beer, right? Who's gonna feed my kids? Who's gonna put my kids to bed? They're gonna wonder where their mother is. She went to pay her money to the courthouse when they want to go to Disney and I can't even take them because I have to work to pay these tickets from these red light cameras because I'm trying to go to work. And then you're gonna throw me on the f***ing ground and then say throw a punch. So then what? If I get booked, how do I even get out? Like what the f*** is this shit? Doesn't make any sense. You see 2 car seats in the back. What the f*** does that mean? I didn't do nothing. No weapons. Nothing. So she threw a punch. She drove up. Yeah, to find out why the lady at the courthouse lied. I was just there and paid a lot of money that I don't.
10 o'clock on a Wednesday morning. A routine traffic stop. A suspended license. Within minutes, it spirals into a physical arrest, felony charges, and eventually a 1-year jail sentence. And the hardest part? It didn't start with violence. It started with disbelief. This incident teaches us a painful but powerful lesson. When emotion overrides judgment, even small decisions can multiply into life-altering consequences. We've all had moments where we thought, this isn't fair. The question is, what do we do next? At first, the interaction is tense but manageable. The officer asks for license and registration. Jasmine insists she just paid at the courthouse. You can hear the confusion in her voice. She genuinely believes the issue was resolved. And honestly, that's relatable. We've all walked out of an office thinking something was handled, only to find out later it wasn't. Where things start to shift is subtle. The officer explains the license is still suspended and mentions a seizure tag order. Jasmine pushes back, it's not. That back and forth, it is. It's not. Becomes the emotional fork in the road. This is the turning point, not the arrest, not the takedown. The moment she chooses to argue the reality instead of manage the situation in front of her. Under stress, our brains go into threat mode. When we feel accused or cornered, the amygdala, the emotional alarm system, fires up. And once that happens, logic takes a back seat. You felt this too, that heat in your chest when someone says you're wrong. The urge to defend yourself immediately. Pride jumps in and whispers, don't back down. The officer, for his part, does some things right. He explains the reason for the stop. He asks clarifying questions. He gives direct commands, have a seat in the car. Clear instructions reduce ambiguity. But tone matters. When authority meets defensiveness, even neutral words can feel like threats. And then comes the critical mistake. She gets back in the car and drives off. That single decision changes everything. Up until that moment, she was dealing with a suspended license and an impound. Consequences, yes, but manageable. When she drove away, it became fleeing. When physical resistance followed, it became resisting arrest. One impulsive act stacked new charges onto old problems. Conflict is like compound interest. It grows faster than we expect. Psychologically, why would someone do that? Because in her mind, leaving wasn't fleeing. It was regaining control. When we feel powerless, we grasp for control in whatever way we can. Sometimes that means raising our voice, sometimes it means walking away. In this case, it meant driving off. But control taken impulsively often costs more than control surrendered strategically. Notice something else. After the arrest, her words revolve around fairness and her kids. Who's going to feed my kids? I just paid. I didn't do anything. That's not the voice of someone planning a crime, that's the voice of someone overwhelmed. Stress narrows our vision. All she could see was immediate injustice, not long-term consequence. But here's the hard truth. You can be emotionally overwhelmed and still legally responsible. This isn't black and white. Officers must maintain control of traffic stops for safety reasons. Drivers deserve clarity and respect. Both can be true. But once physical resistance enters the equation, outcomes become harsher, faster. The deeper lesson isn't about traffic law, it's about emotional regulation under pressure. Think of anger like grabbing a steering wheel in a panic. You jerk it hard, trying to avoid danger, and end up swerving into something worse. So, what does this mean for you? If you ever find yourself in a high-stress confrontation, whether it's with police, your boss, your partner, pause before you act. If you feel that surge of this isn't fair, then buy yourself time. Literally say, I disagree, but I'll handle this the right way. That phrase alone can save you. 3 seconds of breathing, 3 calm words. That's it. If authority gives a lawful command, comply first, contest later. Courtrooms exist for a reason, HR exists for a reason, complaints exist for a reason. Escalation in the moment rarely improves your position. And if you feel misunderstood, don't try to win the argument, protect your future. Ask yourself, will this action make my situation better tomorrow? If the answer is no, don't do it today. We've all been that close to making a decision we'd regret. The difference between a bad day and a criminal record is sometimes one choice made in anger. So next time you feel cornered, disrespected, or desperate, remember this. The person who controls their emotions controls the outcome. Before you react, ask yourself, am I trying to be right or am I trying to be safe? If this shifted your perspective, share it with someone who needs it. And tell me, what would you have done differently in that moment?